The iodine starch test is like a detective's magnifying glass, but for starch, it helps us find out if starch is hiding in food. It's a simple test that anyone can do. We use iodine, a special chemical that changes color in the presence of starch. It's like a magic trick, but with science. This test is super useful for scientists and food enthusiasts alike. In our detective work with starch, the dependent variable is the color change of the iodine solution. When we add iodine to a substance, we are looking for a color shift to a blue-black color. This color change tells us that starch is present. No color change means no starch. Our detective work is complete. To be good detectives, we need to keep some things the same throughout our experiment. These are our controlled variables. We always use the same type and amount of iodine solution. Imagine using different magnifying glasses. It wouldn't be a fair comparison. We also keep the temperature the same for each test. Temperature can be tricky and might affect our results. Section 4. Experimenting with starch-independent variables. Now for the fun part, changing the suspect. The independent variable is the thing we change on purpose, the type of food we are testing. We could test a slice of potato, a piece of bread, or even some rice. By changing the food, we can see which ones contain starch. It's like having a lineup of suspects and seeing who the iodine solution reacts to. Section 5. Unveiling the science, how the test works. Iodine is our star detective here. It has a special structure that loves to fit inside the long chains of starch molecules. When iodine finds starch, it gets trapped. And this changes the way iodine reflects light, resulting in the blue-black color. No starch, no problem. The iodine remains its usual brown color, telling us the food is starch-free.